So hey guys, welcome to my first video on my garden plants. In this YouTube channel, I'll be talking about trees and plants and how they grow, and also about the trees I grow in my personal nursery. So this is my small garden. It looks really messy, as you could see, but it has a lot of plants inside. Plant vine, people can't really see what happens here, but I'll show you around the plants I have. First, we look at the saplings which I have been growing. This is the jackfruit sapling. It's about 1 month old. I have three saplings, one here and another one hiding here. So it's a total of three. I grew this from a seed which I got from Kunnur. If you live near the Western Ghats, you would know where that is. And this is Pongamia pinnata. It's known as the Pongame oil tree. They take oil from the seeds, which is a really useful oil used in a lot of temples. So this is a really young sapling. It's about 15 days old, but a really fast growing tree that I can assure you. And this is a banana. um I don't know what we call it, but it's, I guess, Musa acuminata. It's of that species. I propagated it using the tuber method. So it's about just 2 days old. The tuber appeared only 2 days ago. So it's a really cute plant too, because it looks really nice. And these two are like really a rare species of syzygium known as this syzygium. I don't know the species name, but it belongs to syzygium. In Tamil, it's known as Pannir Koya, if any Tamil people watching this video would know. And in this, I've planted the fishtail palm, also known as Caryota orens, its scientific name. So it's a really slow growing plant, just like this Cassia fistula. I've got like three Cassia fistulas, one here and one over there. This one. So this Cassia fistula produces really nice flowers. You know, those yellow and really beautiful flowers. These trees are really slow growing. This is about 1 month old, but you could see, sorry, it's about 5 months old actually, but it grows really slow. It's only about like five centimeters, I guess. And there's a lot of weeds here. Actually, I don't consider them as weeds because they grow naturally, and uh, they help the ecosystem. So this is a small ecosystem, and this ecosystem consists of Acalypha indicas. You could see it's known as Kupaimeni in Tamil. And I'm not sure about this plant. It produces purple flowers. It's known as buttonweed. That's all I know about them. But I also have this is Sitafal, Annona squamosa, and this is Pithecellobium dulce. It's known as Madras thorn. I love the fruits, and these two are not native. The Sitafal and Pithecellobium dulce are not native, but they're really good plants. You could see that I planted all these close. It's because I expect fast growth, that's why. And here, there's Thespesia paulownia. It's known as the Portia tree, or the Indian tulip tree, I guess. So it's a really good timber tree, but I'm not going to use this for timber because I love the flowers of this tree. So it's about the same 1 month old. It's the same 1 month old sapling. So I planted it in a really dense position for it to grow faster. And here I've got a plant known as Tumbai in Tamil. I'm not sure about the scientific name, but it's a really good medicinal plant. And there are a lot of Acalyphas growing there, Acalypha indicas. And here we've got a rose plant which I planted like 1 year ago. So it's growing pretty fast now as there's a lot more competition. So it's mostly Acalyphas. And if you could see above, the sky was dominated by a big neem tree. It was a big ecosystem, but it was cut down last month, sadly. but it produced a lot of seeds and it dropped to the floor, like this neem sapling, which grew naturally from droppings of birds. And if you could see, this area is really wet because there's a hose pipe here. I use it all the time. That's why this area is always wet. And you could see a lot of neem growing. This one was planted by me, but this neem sapling grew naturally. So these are the plants. I have one or two uh, creepers like this. Like this one is known as heartleaf montseed. It grows in the Western Ghats, but I'm not sure about this one. And in this part, we have. I'm not sure about the species name, but it's known as crepe jasmine, Tabernae montana. That's what the species is called as. But I'm not sure about the genus. It's from Southeastern Asia, so it's a small shrub. And here we've got, you could guess it like easily, right from uh, right from the stalk up to the bottom. It's really easy to identify them. It's the guava. So this is a really old sapling, like it's 5 months old, but I don't know why it's really slow in growing. And under the leaves, you could see a lot of ants like collecting all the sac, I guess saccharine. That's the chemical being collected. So this is the small ecosystem inside my garden. I try to not disturb it as much, but sometimes I like grow onions here. Like we have what is known as mustard. So this is the mustard plant. These like I I just threw them and they started growing. So there are still 2 to 3 species growing inside, but it's really hard to cover because there's a wall here, so I can't like go there. But my garden's really diverse. So if you like this video, please like it. You don't have to subscribe. Just like it. And if you know about any trees that I missed in this video, you could spot it out and comment it and share some information on it. So thank you for watching.